It is not often a mother has to lead her cub away from the pride, but it happens. This is Gibson, who has already lost a brother. His mother, knowing what might happen if they return, is always on the lookout. There's a threat out there. This is Paula. He is currently the strongest and oldest male courting the females of the pride, and he does not want Gibson with the rest of his cubs. Competition between males is strong, and they don't want cubs from other males in their territory. So while growing up, male lions are only safe as long as their father is still in the picture. This could have been Gibson's brothers and sisters, since they are part of the same pride. But since Gibson's father is gone, this territory now belongs to Paula and his coalition of 2 other males. Gibson already lost a brother to Paula and the new male coalition. And Paula might come kill him if he gets the chance. This is why Gibson's mother has led him away from the pride, away from Paula, to keep him alive. But away from the pride, there's never a safe moment. Being part of the pride, they had strength in numbers. Being exiles from the pride, they don't stand a chance against a 5-ton elephant. In time, Gibson will be old enough to find other males and form a coalition of his own. But for now, he will have to try to steer clear of the ruling males and stick with his mother.